Well, this is a video to introduce the first project. I've got some more information about the project in the tips for completing the projects that I attached to the email along with the project itself. But I do want to talk a little bit more about this. So first off, these are both word problems, essentially, algebra word problems. And the first thing you need to do is identify variables, define your variables. Then, once you've chosen your variables, set up an equation that represents the situation. So, in problem 1, this is a rate, time, and distance problem. Okay? And we know in these situations that rate times time equals distance. Okay, so some of these variables you're being given information for, some of them you're not. A couple of key things to understand here is that the rates are different, going and coming. That means the times have to be different. If you're going the same distance at a faster speed, your time is going to be less. Okay? That's something that's very important to understand. A common mistake that people make is they take this time for the round trip and divide it in half. That's not what's going to be happening. Okay. Well, I think that's first thing. That's mostly what I want to say about problem 1. If you have any questions about problem 1, let me know. I'll be happy to talk to you about it. I find that my comments about these project problems are more useful the more work that you've put in to understanding what's going on in the problem. That's one of the reasons why this video is going to be kind of brief. In problem 2, I think the best thing that I can do here is to draw a picture for you. So let's erase this and just get it out of the way. In problem 2, what we're working with is cubical blocks. Okay? Key thing about cubes is that all of the sides are the same length. Okay? So, there's a large cube, all right? All of these sides are the same. Okay? And then sitting on top of that, we're going to have a smaller cube. Looks something like this. And again, because it's a cube, all of these sides will be the same length. Okay? So, that's what's going on. That's what this monument looks like. You've got information about the total height of the 2 blocks together, and you've got some information about the exposed surface area. Okay? So, like I said, if you get started with this and you get stuck and you have questions or you have trouble getting started, let me know and I will try to help you out as much as I can.